Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link crypto wallet to stake updated. Connect your wallet using the Staking D app, select the correct network, and approve a signature to authorize staking. Always verify the D app URL, check the contract address, and review gas fees before confirming. Keep your seed phrase offline and never share it with anyone. Use a hardware wallet for added security when possible. Begin by opening your wallet and visiting the Staking D app from an official link or bookmark. Connect the wallet, choose the staking pool, and click Link or Delegate to start the process. Approve the signature and any token allowance prompts shown by your wallet. Monitor the transaction until it's confirmed on-chain and check your staked balance in the D app dashboard to ensure the link was successful. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making crypto guides. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long staking sessions and has a spill-proof lid for desk work, making it perfect for marathon staking nights. Check the description for the link and other deals, and don't miss out on extra savings. Now let's get back to the video. Before linking, confirm the contract address and D app through official channels and community resources. Limit approvals to specific amounts rather than unlimited allowances to reduce risk. Use a hardware wallet for large stakes and enable two-factor authentication where available. Keep software up to date and avoid connecting to unknown sites. If you suspect a phishing attempt, revoke approvals and move funds to a secure wallet immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.